I don't want to do this anymore.
I am very much not okay right now.
T, oh my god. So I personally feel like I've had everything in my life very under control this week. Just this week, by the way. Not speaking in general overall. But I've been on my game, productive, organized, in pretty much all aspects, excluding my closet. And this isn't even all of it. There's more. There's more. Sorry about that, but a cute transition. My closet is a visual representation of what my brain looks like most days. It's messy. Literally, what is this? It's disorganized. I've actually been looking for this sock for like 2 whole months. But it's also filled with like cuteness. Like, she's stressed, but she's cute. Wait, low-key cute. Okay, bucket hat moment. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls have messy rooms, and I stand by that. So come along with me as I organize, part ways with some things, and overall just bring my closet back to a level of normality. I've never said that word. Anyways, I made a to-do list. I highly recommend doing this if you are cleaning. It helps not get overwhelmed by all of the tasks, which happens a lot to me. Let's go. First things first, I'm separating all of my dirty clothes from the clean ones so that I can put those in the laundry. Also, anything that is currently dirty, that already tells me I'm probably not gonna wanna get rid of it because I've been wearing it recently. So that handles that. I'm also really hoping this mic doesn't fall down onto my face, and I have a leg cramp. Of course, I would have just a random tub filled with so many things. Okay, T, let's see what kind of secrets I had in here. I'm just a little bit at leaving. You've got a new girl. T, when was this written? I don't even remember writing this. And she's a little bit cooler than me. T, oh my gosh. Now you're the better boy. Getting the girl you wished for. Oh my god, I was broken. Listen. Okay, this one is like filled up. Like, I wrote cover to cover on this one. I said, did you ever feel the same? I'm not here to entertain. Okay, queen, know your worth, honestly. Wait, there's more? This needs to be a whole nother video. Okay, I think I need to start trying some things on because it's kind of hard for me to tell what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of when I don't really know what it looks like on me right now. Okay, these are giving me very much bed sheet. I really liked these when I got them though. Oh, I forgot they had a slit. Okay, that's different. But she said bed sheet with a little spice. Okay, I think I'm definitely keeping these. Okay, this is one that I've been trying to get myself to like over time, and I still never wear it. So I think the time has come for me to part ways with this one. Okay, this is one outfit that I am definitely not getting rid of. I mean, so these items, the top and the skirt, are actually items that I got from ThredUp recently. And I'm so excited that ThredUp is the sponsor of today's video because I got a lot of really cute things from the site recently. And now I will have room for them since I'm making some space in my closet. You already know how I feel about ThredUp, and if you don't already know how I feel, then I'm gonna tell you how I feel. Pretty freaking good. ThredUp is an online consignment and thrift store. They offer literally any brand that you can think of, and their deals can go all the way up to 90% off. They have vintage pieces, designer pieces, staple pieces. They got all the pieces. Obviously, if you're looking to add new pieces to your wardrobe, thrift shopping is such a better way to go versus other options because it's so much better for the environment. And I'm also a firm believer that thrift shopping is really what helps you develop your own style identity, because clothing pieces aren't just being thrown in your face. Like, you really have the opportunity to find super cool hidden gems, and ThredUp just makes thrift shopping literally so easy. Like, I definitely get a little overwhelmed when I shop at stores physically in person because there's just so much going on. So being able to just pop open my laptop, get a cup of tea, light some candles, and thrift shop from bed, like, that is honestly my dream. So this is one of the outfits that I just recently got on ThredUp. I am obsessed with it. I've never felt so fancy. I feel like I'm ready to go to like brunch with the girls, and then even a meeting. Well, maybe a meeting would be like that, but then when the meeting's over, brunch with the girls. This J. Crew skirt has an estimated retail value of $22.99. and I got it for $9.99 on ThredUp. I mean, okay, $9.99, pretty good. And the top that I'm wearing is from Pepper Mayo. This has an estimated retail value of $74, and I got it for $17.99. I also got this skirt from the brand Valencia and Vine because I wanted to pair it with like a sweater or something. Like I wanted to do it in like a casual way. So this is just a sweater that I already owned that I'm just gonna try to see how this looks with it. It's very casual, but I love it. I'm also gonna try these boots with it. I don't know if it's gonna ruin it. Okay, that's kind of cute. I'm obsessed with this. Maybe a different sweater, but the skirt is doing it for me. This one might be one of my favorites. This cardigan is from the brand Sarah Spencer. Estimated retail of $54, and I got it for $21.99 on ThredUp. So when I saw this, straight into my cart. Straight in there. Sorry to anyone else who wanted it. It was in my cart. I had to get it and I love it so much. I paired it with some like black knit pants that I already own. I am wearing this like this week. I'm gonna pair it with these shoes. It's truly a look. Like I feel so classy. I actually owned a cardigan very similar to this when I was like 5 or 6. So I feel like I'm just living out my childhood dreams right now. And I already owned these pants and was kind of thinking about giving them away. And now I want to keep them because I paired them with the cardigan. Okay, and this is the last thing I got from ThredUp. This tank top. This is from the brand Farm Rio. The quality is so nice. It's like super stretchy, so it doesn't feel like very constricting. I love the neckline of this one. I also feel like it's a really great transitional piece, like from winter into spring. I paired it with these jeans that I already owned, and then I can even do this little jacket moment. And if you remember, this is the leather jacket from my last ThredUp haul. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. If you would like up to 60% off your first purchase on ThredUp, you can use my code Bethany in all caps, and there's also a link down below, so click the link, use my code, and get your goodies. I just got so excited because I just found so many new outfit ideas, but alas, we have to get back to what I'm actually going to give away. So continuing on with the deep clean. All right, it's time I make some decisions. First up, I love this shirt. I feel like it's a good staple to have, although I haven't really been wearing it recently. I have faith that I will in the future, so I'm keeping this. This is like my fancy mom jacket. I feel that this jacket just exudes like expensive dinner parties, yachts, and whatever else rich wives do. I don't know. This windbreaker, I actually remember the story behind this. I was like super heartbroken and I just like got broken up with, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get a fire style. Like I'm just gonna get the coolest clothes and he's gonna be so sorry. And that didn't particularly happen, but that's all I remember from getting this windbreaker. Windbreakers, great for working out, not so great for getting your ex back. This dress is also very significant to me and I don't want to get rid of it either. This was the first dress that like I felt like a woman. I wore this to an event like maybe 4 years ago, and I just remember putting it on and being like, oh, I'm no longer a girl, I'm a woman. And it was like the first time that I've worn like a tight fitted dress like this and like felt really confident. This shirt, my only memory in this top was kissing one of my best friends on New Year's Eve, and then I don't really recall much more from that night, and somehow the beads are like falling off of it, but I really don't want to get rid of it because I've always been so obsessed with it and I feel like someday I'm gonna wear it again. Hi. Welcome to the part of the video where I don't want to do this anymore. I realized that as I was cleaning, my closet was just getting messier. How is this happening?
I am very much not okay right now.
So I took that as a sign that I just needed to take everything out of my closet to fully see all the clothes that I own so that I can sort through what I want and don't want. And then I realized that I just took all the clothes out of my closet and I have to hang all those back up. So now I'm doing what I do best in stressful situations. I am avoiding with a snack. We are gonna finish this closet today. I know we will. But you know, sometimes you just need to give yourself a little moment. Give yourself a little breather. Even if there's chaos going on around you, that doesn't mean that you have to be chaotic. I don't know what I'm saying at this point. You guys just missed it, but I almost just completely choked on a piece of watermelon right now. Still low-key shaking from that, but now I feel like I can overcome anything. So let's finish this closet. So right now I am organizing the clothes that I'm gonna keep, and for some reason I decided to color coordinate it all. I was just planning on cleaning the closet today, not color coordination. I have this little rolling clothing rack that I'm using to organize all the clothes I want by color. So it's kind of like a preview of what they will look like in the closet. So I'm just doing one color at a time and then putting it in the closet. It is the next day. I have these two big bags of clothes that I am going to be parting ways with. But you guys, my closet is done. It took a little longer than expected. Without further ado, I bring you the finished clean closet. It's not that crazy. Like, don't get too excited. It's just clean, but like low-key cute. Well, we did it, y'all. Look at how cute she is. This is Dom's side of the closet, so we're not gonna look at that. But wow, okay, boutique. It's giving Rodeo Drive. Just kidding, my stuff's not that expensive. I am so happy with it. It's so much more clean than before. I also feel like getting rid of some things that I really wasn't wearing is gonna help me when picking my outfits because I won't have to sort through all the things that I already know I don't wanna wear. Thanks so much to ThredUp for being the sponsor of today's video. That's where I got my shirt from. So cute. Go get you some cute stuff to revamp your closet for the new year. There's so much amazing stuff on ThredUp, so check it out. And don't forget to use my code Bethany in all caps for up to 60% off your first purchase. We love a discount. Love you. Bye.